Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to summarize PDFs with ChatGPT. The good news is ChatGPT 4 is free for all now. You can use ChatGPT 4 for limited time. Like it, you can ask up to 10 questions ChatGPT 4, then it will be 3.5. Before it go to 3.5, in 4 version you can upload ChatGPT PDFs or any file, then you can use it there. I'm gonna show you how. You have to open a new browser and log into your ChatGPT account. Log in with ID and password. After login, you will find here a attachment icon. This is ChatGPT 4. Okay. Uh, yeah, then you have to click on. In ChatGPT 4, it may allow you to upload the file, but in ChatGPT 3.5, you cannot uh, upload the file. So in 4, you have to click on this attachment icon. Then you can upload file from your Google Drive, you can upload file from your OneDrive, and you can upload file from your computer. I'm choosing the computer one. Then I'm just choosing this PDF, and you have to write here summarize this file or PDF. Okay, now hit enter. Okay, you can see that it is already summarizing started. Okay, so this is how you can summarize PDF in ChatGPT. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.